Hey guys, so I came over to visit my good friend Jeff and I find him washing his car. So I had to bring him some Headlight Restore. So we're gonna have him do it though, because normally you're used to me showing the person how it works. But you know what, I'm gonna put my friend to the test and just give it to him and see if he can do it himself. So we're gonna go on this journey with him. Hi Jeff.
Hey, North.
All right, so now these are the headlights. So now he has washed the van and it looks wonderful, but these headlights are a bit foggy. Let's see. See that, guys? You see that haze over it? You know how that's caused? The sun bakes all that dust and dirt. So now here, Miss Jeff, these are what come in the packet for headlightrestore.us. And this is going to clean and clear your headlights. So now use the yellow packets, one for each headlight, okay?
Okay. Doesn't matter which side, right? Okay. Okay, passenger side.
And you can
first.
unfold it,
Okay.
and then you want to wipe it down really good everywhere, all over your headlight. So now this is putting in the solution that actually lifts the oxidation out of your headlight that gets baked in, like I said, by that sun and dirt. When it's really bad, it can actually hinder how much light comes out of your headlight, which is very unsafe. Wouldn't you agree, Jeff?
Yeah. Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
That is gross. Wow. That is a little
That's all right. It's
surprising.
getting in there. It's soaking in there. So now with that other yellow one, you're going to go ahead and do the other side. And where are we located right now?
Upland, California.
Upland,
In
California.
the Mojave Desert.
Mojave Desert.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, we got to make sure in this desert weather, we keep these headlights nice and clear.
Yeah.
All right, yep. You're going to unfold it and you're going to wipe down the entire headlight. Just make sure to hit every corner. Now, the solution that's on the wipe is actually non-toxic and it does not mess up the paint on your car or anything. It lifts off very easy. But it's also going to lift off that dirt from those headlights. All right, so step one done. Now, step two, you need to dry both headlights with a paper towel. Now, I actually took the liberty of taking some of your paper towels already and take one for each of them and go ahead and dry.
Okay. See if I can beat the sun.
That's all right. You still want to dry it off. See, now that matte finish there, that's making sure that it soaks into every crevice, lifting all toxins and dust and dirt. It's oxidizing your headlight. All right, go ahead. Let's come on over here and make sure that this one's actually full-fledgedly dry. Yeah, so the second paper towel, you will wipe down your other headlight. Maybe one, after you do the yellow pack, dry immediately. Then do the other yellow pack and dry immediately. That Headlight Restore is so amazing. You're gonna see how it works. All right, so we see this now. We have the matte finish. I'm gonna give it from every angle. All right, so now, this last step, Jeff, you can put those other ones down on the ground.
Okay.
And you're gonna open that up.
Alrighty.
And you're not gonna unfold this one.
Okay, not unfolding.
Yes.
All right.
So now come over here to this one and start at the top of your headlight and go ahead and drag it all the way across, all the way down. Do you see that?
Yeah.
You can go a tiny bit faster
Okay.
because you're gonna use that same one for the other side. You see that shine? Do you see that lift of dirt completely leave that headlight? Super crystal clear. That's right, make sure you hit every corner. And then we're gonna go ahead and flip that around. And we're gonna hit this one. So how are you feeling about this headlight job?
I am thinking it's pretty amazing, actually.
Isn't it amazing?
And I'm actually kind of hard to impress, but this is pretty amazing. It was like super easy too.
Super easy.
Like just like a week or two ago, I did my mom's over there, and I did the polish and wax and all that, and that was much more difficult.
And didn't come out looking this clear?
Oh, I don't think so. Yeah, this is like new.
Now, this lasts you 6 months to a year. Just make sure to let it dry for the next 30 minutes. Don't get your car wet, but good thing you already washed this.
Yeah.
So look at that.
Wow.
Do you guys see how clear that is? So now this beautiful van and those clear, super clear headlights. All right, Jeff, are you impressed?
That I am.
Well, thank you, sir, for trying it out. And now you know you can get that at headlightrestore.us. Check us out on Facebook as well at Headlight Restore Wipes. Thanks, guys.